guys, so we're starting our vlog here in the hospital. Now we're going back sa dorm. I'm with my love. CBC done. Urinalysis done.
Urinalysis.
La 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 la.
Ano ka na part?
La 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 la.
Dito, no?
Saan? It's gonna be a long day today. Right, love?
On Zoom. We're gonna walk and walk.
We're going to Intramuros.
Ganda. Punta kami ng ano? Sinalitan? Cathedral. Church.
Church hop.
Church hopping. Papunta kaming San Agustin Church. Kasi mag-church hopping kami. So San Agustin Church, and then we'll find another churches along the way.
Came to Manila in 1570.
Sino? Si Herrera?
5 years namatay rin siya.
After 5 years? Baliw, 5 years lang siya dito sa Manila.
Kasama ko yung film.
Pero kung may trick ka na ditong kainan.
Ang hangin.
Kailangan ko juice?
Juice? Kahit, bili tayo juice. Sarap. Scramble na mangga.
May kaparehas ako.
May kaparehas ka? Saan?
Harap.
Ang fit mo? On the way na kami sa ano? Sa what you call this? Manila Cathedral Church. Saan tayo lang? Gusto mo mag-cafe?
Yes.
Okay. Oh. Madami na ako.
Yan yung vitamin ka.
Hi guys. So we're going to
Sobrang shy type niya na naman. Port Santiago.
Fort Santiago, baby. Are we on the right path?
Yup. Just follow my lead. Trust me.
Wow.
Diretso lang dito, papuntang KFC. Tapos, Port Santiago.
Fort Santiago.
Port Santiago na yun.
Find a guy who's like my guy.
Ha?
Mamen.
Mamen.
Thanks to my man who planned this date.
Man, may bulbul ako.
Yo!
Gago, may mustache siya. So,
Yes, man. Hindi na siya boy.
man. Explore muna tayo.
Anong
24
gagawin
hours.
natin sa Fort Santiago?
We're gonna find some good photo booths. So, we're gonna have fun here. It's like a people park. Gago, may kala ko manok.
Oo nga no. Manok. Wow.
It's a good park. Exit dyan, then dun yung entrance. Doon may manok sila naglalakad. Baka nakangasap.
Look at that.
Kulit. Payagan mo, binawa niyan.
No? Tara?
Pigeons. Pigeons. I need tinapay right now. I need tinapay right now. This is like Fort Santiago, right? So peaceful, love.
Ano tayo dun, oh?
Where?
Tilo.
Wow, abandoned.
Tilo. Ballerina cappuccino.
Wow, look at this view, man.
Yan, wala.
Anong gagawin TikTok natin, love? We're here at Fort Santiago and Loki haunted. Look. It's like haunted place, something. Tapos, it's a bunker. It used to be a bunker and then mga gyera-gyera.
Kera.
Then later, we will visit the underground. Sa may underground dito sa baba.
We're gonna eat.
Yup, cafes. And then, TikTok muna kami. Ay, paano sila magbarilan? Pwede. High enemies doon banda, no?
Yeah. Mas mag-jet ba?
Anong jet dash? Oh my god. Up dap.
Maliwa ka ba? Phoenix, what?
Tipag mo. May napatay kang kalaban, tipag mo.
Dito pala sa Manila. Amoy. Basura.
Wow. Oh, look at lights. Look, nasan tayo?
We are in Salayman.
Pajar.
Raja.
Theater ni Pajar.
Rahas Salayman.
Ay. Ayan yung similar box, oh. Entrance sa box na sinasabi ko. Gago, kala ko tao. Tangina, natakot ako. Kasi may nakatayong kupal dun. This one is scary.
That's a stage.
Ito stage.
Yeah.
Tapos,
That is the eskwela.
halos yun yung blackboard. Naka-projector
Yeah,
sila.
naka-projector kasi.
Tapos ito yung prof.
Si Jose.
Hindi talaga siya sila. Love, do you want a picture there?
No, wag ganyan. Oh. The secret.
This is... Honestly, ayoko ng mga ganitong ano eh. Aray. Ina. What the fuck? Gago ka. Ano talaga? Ay, gago, kala ko mannequin.
Dito sila?
Yep.
Dito sila? Nakaganyan?
Yep. Hello. That is scary. I don't wanna look at that. Don't you see how scary that shit is? Gago ka, ang dilim sa taas, tapos tingnan mo. Exit ako dyan kanina. Fuck yeah.
I'm tired.
Pagod na. I'm scared. Last destination natin sa Nostalgia Photo Booth. That's just a little photo booth and then cafe. And that's it.
Sit.
Sit? Okay. Wait, what's this? Lala. Bro, so tiring. We're here at the Soros. That's the menu.
Wala sugar.
Is it good? That's like more fun.
Ganyan siya, guys.
Ganun.
Nag-order ano, tapos gatas lang iinumin.
Na.
So, nice. I'm allergic.
No.
I need my coffee.
Kaya nga pagka encounter mo yung mga salagi, gusto ka kasi ang susunod na
Binlow.
Nice.
Ba't mo binlow? Ba't hindi pa mo? Quality
mo yung mga salagi. Kaya ako nga,
Sarap.
pugi lang mo kalapit.
And then this one is good.
the mocha frap. Good? Okay na. Kaya nga ininipan ko kanina para di ako malabigan. So, meron tayong mocha frap. Halo-halong kalahati.
Ice latte.
Ice latte na walang sugar.
And halo-halo.
One bite. One big bite. Then let's go sa nostalgia. Sarap. I mean, I don't.
Hold. One
Ay,
big
po,
bite. Come on, baby. Ay. Ah.
No.
Ah. Love, tutulo.
Tangin na, natuluan na ako.
Oh, ah. Guys, alay lakad pala.
On the way na kasi sa nostalgic photo booth, which is part of the Intramuros thing. We still have our mocha and
Alay lakad.
mocha na alay lakad, lala. Anong hawak mo?
Cafe latte.
Yeah. And we're just walking. Paano kung ganyan tayo maglakad?
Guys, tignan niyo.
So maglalakad tayo na ganyan ako.
Hindi naman halata. Weird lang, no?
Oo. Ano?
Ayuntamiento de Manila en nombre de los
En nombre.
habitantes de Pilipinas a la reina Doña Isabel 12 años.
Ano yung 12?
2 años.
Ano yung 12?
12.
Nah.
Oh my God!
What's that?
Gusto ko doon. Yan yung sinasabi ko sa yung La Escapade.
International.
National. Love! Mababangga ko ng
Bangga ng e-bike.
dumadarusang e-bike.
Dumadarusang.
Ano ba dapat?
Dumadahasang.
Dumadahasang e-bike. This way too.
Binondo. We're going to Binondo, guys. 7 p.m. Sa Binondo na kami. So from Intramuros to Binondo, we just walked. Kaya nagsasalita na sapatos ko. Wow. Sarado yung... Ang ulit yun? Sarado yung nostalgia. We're so tired. Hi. See you later. Pagod na kami. 7 p.m. 7:30. On the way sa underground pass. So we can go home. I feel like we're lost.
So funny. Kanina, pumunta kami underground. Tapos, wow, ang ganda! Manila City Underground.
Yeah.
May mga confetti. Ay,
May mga paintings.
paintings and stuff. Dito.
Wala kami. Kinginan yan. I think this is the wrong bridge. Yeah, wrong bridge. Yes, malapit na. The right underground. Then, tatawid na lang doon. Then we're home. Did you have fun? Oo. Oo. Di ka nag-enjoy. Okay.
Ayun pa.
This is the correct one. Come here. Pose. 3. Pose. Wow. You're so beautiful.
We're home. We're tired. What happened was, roll VTR. Naglakad kami, tas mali pa kami ng napasukan na underground. Kala namin yun na yun. So, naglakad pa ulit kami. Tapos, naglakad pa ulit. Tapos, pagpunta namin doon, yes, nasa tamang landas na kami. Pag upo namin saglit, nakita namin ang UV. And we said, eto na, pa-Fairview. Yes! So, nakaupo na agad kami. Ito siya ngayon. Hindi na makapagsalita.
I'm tired. But like we all had fun. And then, ano ba mga nangyari? What's your favorite part?
The favorite part, first, top 1 on the list. Nakapunta tayo sa mga churches na that's the goal. Second, food trip. Sap na kwek-kwek. Kaso yung squid,
Kunat.
sobrang kunat.
Ito sobrang anghang.
Oo, sobrang anghang. Gusto ko yung madaming onion. Pag ganun ko, putik, parang 10 yung sili. Sobrang anghang. So, buong time ganito ako. Top 3. Actually, the Fort Santiago is so good, no? And it's tiring though. Then, the fourth one is that's the most unpredictable, but it's so good na ang goal lang namin is makapag-picture sa photo booth. Pero, ang ganda ng place na napuntahan namin. Although, sarado ang photo booth.
It's a good spot.
It's a good spot, right? Ang ganda ng place, ang ganda ng venue. Though, ang dami ng tao. Overcrowded na rin siya.
Maliit
Pero,
lang din.
yeah. And, thanks to my man for planning the date, for organizing everything. I'm so thankful for my man. Kasi in-organize niya yun habang tulog ako. And it's like a surprise to me. And siya talaga nag-plan ng whole trip. Siya nag-lead all the way up until to the end. Wala akong inisip kung hindi pagkain, kung hindi magdasal. That's the best feeling of a lady, of a girlfriend. Maging mind-free ka lang. Na naglalakad ka lang holding hands, la 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 la. Tapos yung jowa mo, mahuntog ka. Everyone knows na that's the best feeling of a lady pag nagta-travel or just, going on a date. Thank you for watching our video, our vlog. Thank you for watching all the way here kung umabot kayo dito sa part na to, and I hope we'll see another video from us again, and we're gonna make more contents pa. Right, Lamlam?
More dates.
More dates, more contents, more fun with everyone.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Peace out.